Yeah, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a workout using the iPhone app called iSmoothRun. Now this is a great app if you don't have a advanced GPS watch. It's costs $8, and if you want to train with heart rate, all you need is a Bluetooth heart rate monitor, which are reasonably priced. And the great feature of this is how easy it is to program workouts. And it also has audio cues to guide you during those workouts to remind you what zones you need to be in, when to change your effort, as well as all the other metrics such as time and distance. Right, so first of all I'm going to open Sports Tracks on the iPhone, and it opens on my dashboard, and I can see I've got an upcoming workout which is a speed play. So I'm just going to quickly have a look at the notes in there to remind me of what I've got to do there. So 5 minute zone 1, 5 minute zone 2, 4 repeats of 2 minutes in zone 4 with 2 minute recoveries, and finally 5 minutes in zone 1. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to program that in the iSmoothRun app. Right, so when you first open the app, you're ready to start a run, you press the green button to go. So when you get to do a workout, you get to define what sort of workout you're going to do. So free just means run, it'll record your information. And there's a couple of defaults there. There's free, there's time, distance, calories, or there's a run walk option. But what we want to do is create a custom workout. So to do that, I'm going to go down to my workouts option here, and I'm going to add a workout. Now to create a workout, I need to have a bunch of modules or intervals to make that workout. So first of all, I'll give the workout a name. We'll just call it speed play. Right, so to start creating the intervals or modules, I select the intervals there in the right corner and plus up here to add. So there are default sort of templates here. There's a warm-up and cool-down interval. These ones don't allow you to set a heart rate zone. So to do that, I'm going to choose the steady option. Alright, so I'm going to call this 5 minutes zone 1. Good news is once I've created this, it's stored in my library there, and I can easily load it up anytime. So it's going to be based on time, so I've got to set the duration here, and I'll set that at 5 minutes. I'm going to set the target as heart rate, and my target zone is going to be zone 1. And I'll select done up here, and that's created. I'm just going to quickly create another one for 5 minutes, zone 2. Right, so now I've got my warm-up modules done. I now want to set up my intervals. So I'm going to hit plus again. And there's actually an interval template here which is pretty good. So I'm just going to call this 2 min zone 4. Right, so it's going to be based on time. So duration is 2 minutes. The target is heart rate, and the target zone is 4. And you'll see down below it allows me to program the recovery. So the recovery is based on time, and my recovery time is 2 minutes. So it doesn't allow me, this interval template doesn't allow me to set a heart rate zone, but if running in zone 1 is very easy, it's all about just getting yourself ready for the next interval. There is a way to program the recovery to set a zone, and I'll show you that a bit later. Right, so there we go. So we've created our interval, 2 minute zone 4, and we've got our other modules for the warm-up. So let's go back to the workout editor. Now I need to add those intervals in. So to do that, I've got the plus down here in the bottom right hand corner. So the first thing I'm going to add is 5 minutes zone 1. Then I'm going to add 5 minutes zone 2. And then I'm going to add my intervals. Now what you'll notice here is we get to select on the left those modules I've created, and we also get to say how many times we can repeat it. So my 2 minute zone 4 intervals with the recoveries built in, I'm going to repeat that 4 times. Right, so finally I want to do my 5 minutes in zone 1 to finish the workout. Alright, so as simple as that. I've programmed my workout to speed play. Now when I'm ready to do my run, I go into workouts, I select speed play, and then I'll start my run.
Workout started. Steady. 5 minutes. At zone 1. Go. Workout paused.
Okay, so just ignore those error messages. That's because I'm not connected to GPS. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Keep an eye out for some other videos I've got. One on programming heart rate zones in iSmoothRun, and also another video on programming a long plus speed play run, which is a different type of workout, which is based on distance rather than time. Alright, thanks for watching.